What up, peeps? And we're outside. It's snowing like crazy. Look at this. He's crying because it's snow. He got snow in his face. Look at the snow. Oh my god, peeps. Oh my god. Hey, if I could show you how tall it is.
Just shut. Look at me.
It's like. Oh my god, he's making a snow angel. By the way, my mom's going to work. I'm going to be doing a Minecraft video. And I'm going to be doing more of, I forget what it's called. It's been a long time. I said I was going to do it. But I don't even have my own TV yet. That's how bad it is. And, yeah. So I'm going to...
Oh, no, there's rocks under there.
So I'm going to, I'm going to play that game. And then I'm also having a 15th birthday party soon. And I'm going to a different birthday party soon too, February. I don't remember what it was. But it's one of my friends that has been my friend since 5th grade that moved somewhere. Sorry, peeps, you're getting snow all over you. Are you okay? Are you okay? Alright, and yeah.
It's giving that side.
What? Yeah, it's going on that side. Look at the streets are empty, yo. The streets are empty. Joe, do you wanna go walk like over there to look at the lake?
Yeah,
for my peeps? I'll do it. But you guys don't have to. Look, oh my god.
Wait, what's the dog poop?
Dog poop. Oh, I told you she got wrecked. Oh my god.
What did I go?
Peeps. It went boom.
Oh, damn.
Straight as you went inside.
That means we're on the road, Jasmine.
Make sure there's no cars coming. Come on.
Hey,
Give me your hand, Jonathan.
see, this is the road.
Jonathan, give me your hand, you fucking clown. Sorry, my language.
See, Chia, there's a sewage right there. That's because this is the road.
On the road. On the sidewalk. Look, there's like one car like going to work. Have to go to work. Hey,
Jasmine.
go to work.